The ARYA Airtivo Max weighs 4.37 pounds. It is 8.7 inches in length, 3.3 inches wide, and 6.3 inches in height. It has a pulse setting of 1 to 6 and has a battery life of up to 5.4 hours. Hi, this is Alexia with LPT Medical, and today we're going to be unboxing the ARYA Airtivo Max. When you first open up your package, you're going to receive your cannula, replacement filters, as well as a manual. You'll also receive your carry case, a battery for the unit. You will have your AC power supply. This will plug into the wall. You'll also receive your DC power supply, which will plug into the cigarette lighter of your car. You can use the unit while it's charging. And last, you will also receive the unit itself. To set up your unit, we're going to install the battery. It slides directly onto the side of the unit. We'll click in, then you will grab your carry case. It will open from the bottom, and you're going to slide it over. There is a spot here for you to keep this open for your cannula. You're going to put that on that side, slide the unit in, and zip the unit up. There is a clear cover for you to easily access your screen. There is an open slot for you to plug in your cannula. This will come with a handle strap as well as a shoulder strap so you can carry it over your shoulder. The unit also has the charging port in the back for you to use your AC and DC power supply. To power on the ARYA Airtivo Max, simply press the power button. Once the unit is powered on the display screen, you will see right here will show the setting it is currently at. You can easily adjust by pressing the plus or minus. You will also have a spot to show you what percentage your battery is at. This is to silence the unit. You also have a settings button for more information about the unit in case you call in. To turn off the unit, simply press the power button. That's how you unbox and set up the ARYA Airtivo Max. If you have any questions, you can visit our website at www.lptmedical.com or give us a call at 1-800-946-1201 and speak with one of our oxygen specialists today.